Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 16th of February 2018. Okay guys, today I'm going to start the discussion right from Great Britain Pound JPY. I know it belongs to yesterday. Okay, now let's get started with Euro USD today. So you know that I have already highlighted that the market price has moved quite high on the pair on Euro USD, and I was expecting a bearish move. And if you remember, then when I have sent the signals report yesterday, then I have mentioned one thing, that the price for Euro USD has went so high, so it is not wise to buy the pair at these levels. That is why I have changed my mind. I have predicted a sell position on Euro USD. 125,385 was the entry, and guys, you can see a very clear downward trend on Euro USD, and hopefully those traders who have taken a trade on Euro USD today, they should be in very good profits. Okay, now let's talk about the second signal of the day, which is New Zealand USD. I have supplied the bearish signal from my side. Sorry, levels are a bit different because I have just restarted my laptop here, so that's why the levels are not right. But however, you can gauge the level from here. 074308 was the entry, and having a bearish expectation. Similarly, the same thing, that the price was moved so much high. So guys, if you have taken a sell position as per the signals report, then hopefully you people must have caught profit on New Zealand USD. Okay, now let's talk about USD JPY here. So you know that I was giving bullish signals from last 2 days on USD JPY, and finally we have caught USD JPY today, because I was expecting that today it is Friday and there will be a deception, but this deception has went in our way. 105,639 was the entry, and guys, you can clearly see that right from the entry the market has made a upward momentum on USD JPY. And hopefully subscribers must have caught the upward momentum here, and hopefully things should be in a very good profits. And now let's talk about the USD CHF, another very good successful signal of the day, and let's move towards the chart here. Okay, so that's why I was expecting a recovery on USD, and 091998 was the entry, and guys, you can see a very clear bullish pattern on USD CHF today, and this is what 200forexpips.com has predicted right in the morning. And hopefully those subscribers who have taken the trade as per the signals report, they must have caught very good profits, because these were the simple trades that I have given from my side. And mostly I'm just also trying to avoid the U-turn method, so that the things must be simple for you. Now let's talk about the last pair of the day, which is USD Canadian dollar. Okay, so similarly the same thing, that I was expecting a recovery on USD CHF, and the USD was strong from my side for today, so entry was 124678. And guys, you can clearly see that right from the entry we have seen a strong bullish trend, and the market has reached to the levels 1 to 5 that I have predicted in the signals report. So overall we have done a very good job with the signals this week. So those subscribers who have made very good profits, then I suggest them to send their reviews so that I can post on Facebook page. Moreover guys, if you are looking to check the proofs of the signal service about the trading system, then please visit 200forexpips.com. Just search 200forexpips on Facebook, and you will get the official page, and you can just read the reviews of the people, what people say about our services. Hopefully I'm hopeful that you people must have closed your week with profits. And moreover guys, if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the powerful trading system that you can see on the screen in my videos, and if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then for this you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and stay in touch with 200forexpips.com. Thank you for watching the video.